Hi friends and welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Yoga is a relaxing combination of asanas, stretches, breathing techniques and meditation. Every yoga pose has a particular effect on our crucial body organs and the respiratory system and therefore affects the heart. Particular yoga poses helps reduction in heart rate and blood pressure, regulates oxygen supply to the heart, boosts blood circulation, lower bad cholesterol levels, gives relief from anxiety and stress, increase lung capacity, improves sleep, strengthens the lung muscles and reduces breathlessness. If you practice yoga poses and pranayam, practice yoga poses before pranayam. After practicing yoga poses, relax in shavasana pose before doing pranayam. Do not do any strenuous exercise after pranayam. But if you have been diagnosed with heart disease, then you should avoid yoga poses that make your heart work too much. Avoid doing following yoga poses. Number 1. Chakrasana, the wheel pose. This position is a back bend and requires a lot of strength and a proper breathing pattern. It puts pressure on your heart to pump blood faster and so it should be avoided. Number 2. Halasana, the plow pose. The plow pose requires you to lie on your back, lift your legs and put them behind your head. This position also requires your heart to circulate blood to the lower body with pressure and against gravity. Number 3. Karnapidasana, the ear closing pose. This position is similar to halasana, but it requires more efforts as you have to bring your legs closer to the ground with knees next to the ears. Similar to the halasana, this position exerts pressure on the heart. Number 4. Sarvangasana, the shoulder stand. This position should be completely avoided as you are standing on your shoulders with pressure completely on your upper body. The heart has to work against gravity for blood circulation. Number 5. Shirshasana, the headstand. Similar to the Sarvangasana, Shirshasana is an inverted position. The body is held upright with the support of the arms and the head touching the floor. The legs are held over the heart and hence more pressure is exerted by the heart to pump blood to the lower body. Number 6. Viparit Karniyasana, simple inverted pose. This position requires you to lie on your back and raise your legs and slowly lift your hips and support them with your hands. This pose also puts a strain on your heart for blood circulation to the lower body as your legs are above your heart. However, you can practice some yoga poses to strengthen your heart, such as Tadasana, the mountain pose. The mountain pose helps strengthen the vertebral column and the heart. The deep breathing involved also expands the lungs. Vrikshasana, the tree pose. The tree yoga pose helps in developing a firm and balanced posture. It broadens the shoulders and opens the heart, making one feel confident and happy. Practicing this regularly improves blood circulation and keeps heart ailments at bay. Adhomukh Shvanasana, the downward facing dog pose. This yoga posture strengthens the chest muscles and expands the lung region, increasing its capacity. Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Bhujangasana stretches the chest and invigorates the heart. Dhanurasana, the bow pose. The bow pose opens up and strengthens the heart region. It is stimulating and makes the whole body flexible. Practicing these yoga poses regularly prevents cholesterol buildup in the blood and reduces the risk of heart attacks and heart blocks. That is all for today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Healthy Natural Remedies channel for more content. Feel free to leave comments below on what you would like to see in future videos. Until next time, take care. Shubham Bhavatu.